And it's really funny because putting on even just a little bit of makeup can make you look like you have it together, even when you don't. Hi, welcome to the video. I'm guessing that you're watching this because you want to know how to do your makeup when you have literally no time. And I did make the time to make this video, but I also need to hurry to the post office before they do their last like pickup shift, whatever. So in doing your makeup when you have literally no time, I would hope you're not watching this right now when you have no time, because you want to have your makeup ready, because if you're having to pick and choose what makeup you're going to put on, that's setting you back. So I have this cute little makeup bag I found at Goodwill. It's got kittens. I love kittens. Anyway, let's get into the makeup / prep. I always put on sunscreen instead of primer, especially if I have no time, because if I have no time, I have no time for primer. But I always try to make time for sunscreen because you gotta watch out for your health and the health of your skin. So and I know I'm talking really fast. I'm a chatty Cathy. But also, hopefully it'll help me get a move on. Okay. So, my sunscreen is on. Usually I'm doing this while my partner is driving. I've done this on the bus. I've done this in the bathroom before I go to class. Okay. I'm putting on lip balm because chapped lips are frustrating and very difficult to put makeup on. So, lip balm is on. Now, if you can use your mirror from your powder compact or something like that, so you have somewhere to look while you're doing to look at yourself while you're doing your makeup. I'm putting on concealer, but just anything that you can put on kind of quickly. I'm dotting this over my main redness areas, which are around the center of my face, in between the brows. Get a little bit on my jaw. And another pro tip, dampen your beauty blender. So if you're going to take your makeup bag out of the house, dampen your beauty blender before you leave. Honestly, when I do this, I'm like, wow, superwoman right here. So I'm blending it out. Honestly, it's just about making myself look like I got some rest, and also, even if it is just 10 minutes that I have to myself to just think. That's what I really love about putting on makeup. Okay, so that is blended. Usually I would do a bunch of other steps, but since I have no time, I'm going to powder. And I'm putting everything that I'm using in the description box. I don't currently have affiliate links right now, but I'll just let you know what I'm using. So I have one little brush for my powder. And basically having this go-to routine with products that I'm like, okay, like these work. I don't feel like halfway through the day I'm gonna have my face slipping off my face. They're just easy go-tos. This routine allows me to put on makeup every day, even when it seems like I would have no time to. So face is powdered. Now I'm going to use a cream blush just because it's easy to blend in. I'm using like the little mauve shade. Usually when you're in a rush, it's not the time to try out things you've never tried before. Okay, so got the blush on. And anything that looks like it's too much, I'm just going over with my makeup sponge. Okay, we're at 5 minutes. Okay. I put on brow gel. I just love a groomed brow, and honestly, you don't have to have super plucked brows, but if you just sweep them through with a little product, or even if you just like with your finger, I feel like that still does so much. Okay, now for mascara. I like to put on eyeshadow just because I feel like it mattifies my oily eyelids, but since I have no time for that. So sweeping on mascara. With putting on mascara when you're in a rush, be careful because you don't want to stab yourself in the eye. And usually I'll go in with a lip gloss or a lip balm or a lip tint. I think I'm going to go with this lip tint that I just found from the Dollar Tree. And I know I just said now's not the time to be trying new things, but I want to. So, okay. And once I finish putting on my lip balm, I'll be good to go. Oh my gosh, see, this is why we don't try new things. Is it coming out? Oh, yep, I see it. Okay. Oh my gosh. And it's really funny because putting on even just a little bit of makeup can make you look like you have it together even when you don't. Kind of amazing that 10 minutes can be the difference of like, oh my gosh, you just rolled out of bed and I look like I prepared everything even though I didn't. Okay. Got my lip situation on. Where did the cap go? Oh my gosh. This is my makeup when I have no time for makeup. I'm feeling pretty good putting everything back in my little makeup bag. And I'm going to head to the post office. I will see you next time. If you like this, please like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.